Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and OMG, I cannot believe how many Christmas paintings are coming out this weekend alone from Diamond Art Club. Their hand charters have been super busy. You will not be disappointed. Hide your wallets, hide your firstborn, and then go find them when it's time on Saturday, because you will be blown away. And this will not disappoint. You're just going to want it. You're going to want it. It is Gnome Tree Lights by Susan Winget. Oh my goodness. Look how adorable these three gnomes are. I can't believe it. It's a 32 inch by 20 inch, which translates into 81 centimeter by 50.7 centimeter. Absolutely gorgeous. You're going to get this sticker. You can do whatever you want with it. Sometimes people put it on the end of the box. Sometimes people put it on their kit up boxes so they know what drills are inside. Some put it in their logbooks. What do you do with it? Can't wait to see what you do with it. What else comes in the box? Well, first the box. The box tells you what you're getting. What is your prize? So it's going to give you everything that you need to know here. And then it's also going to tell you right away that it's a round painting by this pink circle. So we're going to put that aside. We're going to dive into the famous Diamond Art Club toolkit. On the back, it's going to show you everything that's in here, but we're going to open it because there's surprises in here, right? It's not just your normal toolkit. All right, so my favorite color is green, so I'm super excited. I got a single placer with a matching squishy to go on my pen. I also got two multi-placers, a 4-placer and a 7-placer. Did you know you can stick it on the end of your pen? Just like so. And now you have a dual-purpose pen. Absolutely amazing. You're also going to get a random cover minder, cute little tulips. And it has a magnet. The magnet goes on the back of your canvas underneath. The pretty part goes on top and holds back the plastic, aka your cover. You also have 2 heart pink waxes in your container. Make sure you take off the little plastic covering when you go to use it. I made that rookie mistake once. And you have a white tray with a stopper. And the stopper is going to keep your drills from popping out when you shake a shake-a. You're going to get a random washi tape. How beautiful is that? And you're going to get a bag of baggies. Now, because this is round, you're not going to get the tweezers, because tweezers don't do well with rounds necessarily. So we're going to put all this back in the toolkit so it does not get lost. And we're going to open up the magic. Okay. So the box itself is shrink wrapped. And then this also is plastic. And then it comes in another box. So hopefully they have done everything possible to get your kit to you safely. It's the patented velvet canvas backing. Very sturdy, but yet flexible. This is a horizontal. It's got 47 colors. When you look very quickly, if anything under 150 is going to be an AB. So the first two, 100 and 107, are ABs. I'm going to look down here at the bottom are where the rest of the specialty drills are. And this one looks like it has one with the Z in front of it, which is their fairy dust drills, which kind of is like a mica powder. The ABs are Aurora Borealis, almost like a sequence. Okay, so you've got your serged edges, you've got your pasting area to show you where all your drills are going to lay, your artist information, social media across the bottom. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So 47 colors. We're going to unroll the magic. And look at this rendering. Look how cute that is. And the little lights. OMG. I am super excited. He's adorable. Ah. And then you got the tree. Look at the cardinal up top. Oh, absolutely adorable. Okay, we're going to dive in just a little bit more. So we've got this, which has a start date and an end date. It's a sticker. Has everything that you need on it. And then you got your stickers over here that you can use to kit up if you like. You can put them on your plastic baggies. You can put them on your containers, however you would like to handle that situation. It also shows you up close and personal the different symbols that DAC uses. Absolutely gorgeous. You get a little thank you for your purchase, how to diamond paint, what's included in the toolkit, all the fun stuff. If you are new to DAC and you're making a purchase, down below is a code that you can use for a percentage off. All right, so we're gonna look at this kit. What this means is I'm gonna open up the drills. It's gonna crinkle for just a minute so you can mute or put your fingers in your ears or enjoy it like Christmas wrapping paper, knowing that there's goodness inside. And if you separate your drills from your canvas to store, super easy because they've labeled it for you. All right, the crinkling is done. Go this way. I actually really like 927. It's a gray, but it has a tint of like blue-green to it. I think it's really pretty. Then you've got your 3865, so it's going to be all your snow, I'm sure. You've got your grays and your baby blues. These different grays and blues are going to give you that depth. A lot of times you think, oh, well, the snow is pure white, but you need depth in your snow. All these greens are going to be fabulous for the trees. Got some more colors here. Oh, I love 814. Absolutely gorgeous. What is your favorite couple DAC? I can't pick just one, and it depends on my mood too. Sometimes I'm more in the pink and the purple. Sometimes it's more blue. All right, so here's the 100. So that's that AB that's going to be sprinkled around. Looks like there's just a few of those. Here's that 107. So that's going to be some of the ABs there. Got some more rich greens and pinks. These pinks are going to add depth to the red, I'm sure. Okay, so here's the fairy dust. You can see that glitter inside. It's not really glitter, it's like a mica powder. It's going to add just a touch of glitz and glam to your painting. All right. Not a lot of 310 in this one. I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to get down and dirty with this canvas. Oh my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. So the ones and the twos, so the red twos are everywhere. Wherever you see red, there's just a sprinkling of those ABs. So that's going to be beautiful. And then the ones, those are just in the lights. Whoops. Whoops. Shake-a, shake-a. And the lights right there. Right there. Try not to make you so dizzy. And look at the detail in these trees. Like the different colors that are all in these trees. You're going to have such beautiful depth in those trees, in the hats, down here in the reef. Oh my goodness, absolutely adorable. Spot on. Love the bird. Lots of twos in the bird. That's going to really stick out. Lots of twos in the hat. And then the A's, the small A's, add the glow. So all around the lights, they did a sprinkling of those A's, and that's that fairy dust. So it's going to give it that extra glow. Look, there's candy canes over here. How fun is this, guys? You've got to run on Saturday and pick it up. Absolutely gorgeous. So super excited to see. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let me know which DACs you're picking up this weekend, because I know I'm going to be picking up some myself. So thank you so much for sticking around. I love you all. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.